Hello everyone. In this video I will explain about the structure of small intestine. Small intestine, it is a part of the alimentary canal, and it is like a pipe, and you see in this, like food is digested, then in this portion food is absorbed. So this is a TS, transverse section of, if we cut like this pipe, small intestine, into in this way, this is a TS, transverse section. So we will see here, this is the outer portion of the small intestine, outer layer of the small intestine. And this is in the higher section. There's a mucosa and serosa. These are the layers of the small intestine, but not in the 10th class. So outer layer, then these are the inner layer. So this inside, it is called lumen. Lumen means space where food is present, food is digested. So these finger like projection you can see, these are called villi. So many finger like projection called villi, and these are the two villi, means two villi I have drawn here. You can see two villi, and this blue color, these are the lacteals, and these are blood vessels. Means food here, it is digested, then absorbed by these villi, they taken by the villi, then from the villi food is absorbed by the blood vessels. Now what is the role of the lacteals? Lacteals are the duct which absorb fat, because fat is very complex. First of all, it is emulsified, then it is converted into the fatty acid and glycerol, and then last this fatty acid and glycerol is taken by these ducts then to the blood vessels. Now this is a complete digestion of the fat. So this is the role of the lacteals. Lacteals are also called lymph duct, and it is all about the structure of the small intestine. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video I will explain about the two important organs of nutrition in humans. Means two important organs of digestive system. First is stomach. This is a diagram of stomach, and in the stomach you see the this is HCl. HCl is present in the stomach. So HCl is the hydrochloric acid. It is an acid, so it can burn the stomach. So it is present in the stomach, and these are the roles of the stomach. Now who saves the stomach from the HCl? So this is a mucus, one fluid or liquid which is present in our mouth. This is called saliva, and in stomach, fluid or liquid which is present, this is called mucus. This mucus fluid liquid which prevents stomach from HCl. So it is the role of, it protects stomach from HCl. This is mucus, and these are the roles of HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid which is present in the stomach, and also play a vital role in digestion. The food which we eat, it comes into the stomach, and the roles are of the HCl are, it kills bacteria. Second role, it converts complex food into simpler. It means it makes the paste. It activates pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is a coenzyme, and it creates acidic medium. Okay, so these are the like functions of the HCl. Now second is liver. Liver is the largest gland, and the liver, if it is damaged, or liver can so it will be repaired also inside the body. Only the liver, like skin and some tissues are, if it means this liver, sometimes it is increased or decreased also. Liver, it is in this liver, this is the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder, and liver secretes, the main function of the liver is to secrete bile juice. Bile juice is produced or secreted in the liver, but it is stored in bile. That is the it is stored in this gallbladder. And now, what are the functions of the liver? Excretion of bilirubin, cholesterol, hormones, and drugs. So these are removed from the liver. So if the bile juice is not secreted in the liver, so these like toxins cannot be removed from the body. And next is the production of bile juice, which just I have explained, and enzyme activation also. This, so in the exams, separate 1 mark question, 3 mark question are asked from this portion. Figure is also important and functions are also. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain digestion in human being. So digestion start from the mouth. I just explained in so many video about the enzyme, about the like flow chart, and liver, and pancreas, and about the stomach also. In this video, I will tell how food is digested in our alimentary canal. So digestion starts from the mouth. You can see in the figure, like if we take food, it is taken, we put in our mouth. In our mouth, there is a cavity. This is called buccal cavity. Then food is chemically and mechanically, it is digested. So about the salivary amylase, I have earlier explained that salivary amylase, that this converts the starch into simple sugars, and in our food the mechanical digestion is done by the teeth. 4 type of the teeth are there: incisor, canine, premolar, and molars. They help in tearing, grinding of the food, and after that food is passed from the mouth, from the like buccal cavity to pharynx, and then in food pipe, this is esophagus. So uh, in food pipe, food cannot be passed itself, and the food which is passed from the mouth, buccal cavity to esophagus, this is called bolus. Means chewed portion of the food is called bolus, and after that this bolus is in the esophagus, and this esophagus or food pipe, it cannot pass the food itself, so muscles are present in the food pipe. These muscles are called sphincter muscle, which help in passing the food. And here the movement of the food, this is called peristaltic. You can also say the peristalsis, means the food is passed from the esophagus by the help of the sphincter muscle. This is called peristaltic movement, and it happens in the esophagus or food pipe. And after that, food is passed to the stomach here, and then this bolus is like food is churned, and by the help of HCl. This function I have earlier explained, and here the food is the mixture of protein, carbohydrate, and all the 5 nutrients. So first of all, protein is digested in the in stomach. Food is grind, and only the protein is half digested in the stomach. This is very important, that protein first it is digested half into the stomach, then pass to the small intestine. So in stomach, protein is converted into peptones by the help of pepsin, and then this passed into the small intestine, and in a small intestine, protein and small intestine protein passed, then this protein, now it is converted into, earlier into the peptones, this is converted into here by the trypsin into amino acid, which earlier I have explained digestion or like role of the enzyme I have explained. And here, what is the role of the small intestine and large intestine? The main role of the small intestine, the food is digested and absorbed in small intestine, and then large intestine, water is absorbed in large intestine. This is very important question. What is the function of the large intestine and small intestine? And here, the role of the liver I have just earlier explained. It secretes the bile juice. Bile juice, it emulsifies. Bile juice emulsifies fat, and it converts fat into fatty fat globules. Then fat globules are digested by the lipase from the pancreas into fatty acid and glycerol. So there are so many questions are there. What is the role of the small intestine, role of the liver, role of the stomach, role of the gallbladder, role of the pancreas? Pancreas is a mixed gland. It secretes enzyme as well as hormones. So then food is digested and absorbed also in the small intestine, and undigested food is passed from the large intestine to the last rectum, then from the anus it is passed out in the form of feces. And this is about the important points, important about it. It is about the uh, digestion of food in alimentary canal. Thank you very much.